classroom. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a Peppermint Panther. Basically, a Peppermint Panther is a peppermint hot chocolate. So let's get started. So these are all the things you need to make your Peppermint Panther. First, you need 2 candy canes, a baggie and a rolling pin, some fresh mint from the garden, a liquid measuring cup, a cup and a spoon, some chocolate, some milk, and some whipped cream. So first, guys, we're going to need to use our microwave-safe liquid cup, 2 cups of milk, that's 1, and that's 2. And then we're going to get our fresh mint, split it, and stick it into our milk. And then we're going to bring this to the microwave and put it in there for 3 to 4 minutes. Now while that's going in the microwave, let's crush some candy canes. So we need both of these candy canes, one for garnish or decoration, and the other one for smashing. So we're going to use our baggie and put this in our baggie, seal it really good, and we're going to start smashing. We don't want 2 big pieces or 2 little pieces. Careful when you're smashing. That's perfect. Now we're gonna get our smashed candy canes, get our cup, grab our spoon, get 2 spoonfuls, and that should be enough because we're gonna need the rest of these for later. Now is finally time for our delicious chocolate. You can put as much as you want. I love a lot of chocolate. Oh, here's my delicious chocolate. Now let's go and check on our peppermint milk. Looks like our delicious peppermint milk is ready. But be careful. Make sure you have an adult present. Miss Carvitas, are you present?
I'm right here.
Okay, let's get our peppermint milk. Look at that delicious peppermint milk. Let's close our microwave. Now let's head back to our table. Okay guys, now it's time for the fun part. But before we do that part, let's fish out our peppermint. Sit it over here. And now it's time to pour our peppermint milk into our chocolate. Be careful. And now it's time to stir. You can either stir with your candy cane or your spoon. I'm going to stir with my spoon. Okay, that's enough stirring. Now it's time to do our garnish. First, we're going to add our amazing whipped cream. That looks good. And then we're going to add some of our peppermint sprinkles. Sprinkle that on top. After we do that, we're going to use our peppermint leaf. That looks amazing. Now, for the last part, we're finally going to use our candy cane. Hope you enjoyed this Peppermint Panther, and bon appetit! Merry Christmas!